Hey, what is going on, people? Let's see here. I'll turn to the side. Hey, what is going on, people? Hey, in this video today, here, just so you know, it's really fish, baby. Oh, it's me. I'm jumping on the bike. I'm riding out. There's a thing. It was called like. Just stepped all in that oil. All right, hey, so there's a thing in Iowa, and it's called the Spirt Lake Pursuit Meetup or something like that. Well, I got invited to come. Obviously, I couldn't commit. I didn't publicize it, but I'm gonna show up right now. And I'm gonna do a factory. I'm gonna do a factory tour. I'm also doing a test run for my factory tour event that's gonna be on June 20th. So. I should probably take my helmet off and chat with you guys, but you know, show my pretty face. But damn, look at it, baby. Woo-wee, looking good. Ah, damn. So I'm about 2 hours out. The winds are like 40-something miles an hour. Major headwind today. I'm heading straight east, I'm heading straight west, and it's a westerly wind. I do know a lot of people are bailing because of the weather, and then this afternoon is supposed to be pretty rainy and stormy, so I don't know how many people are actually going to be at this event, but that's okay, because you know what, it don't matter if it's one person or 100 people. Y'all are my people. I am one of your people, and I'm just looking forward to first of all checking out this event, meeting these people, and second, rundown, I'm checking it out for our June 20th event as well. But damn, looking spicy, looking good. Woo! Oh, yeah. All right, hey, let's hit the road. Let's get on the road. Let's go see this. And then let's see if this June 20th is even going to be worth having, baby. Let's do it. I know I'm all geared up. I just thought about it right now that I wanted to do this freaking video. All right, let's go. Alrighty guys, check it out right there, the Indian Motorcycle Factory. So I came out here to meet these guys, a group of like 8 people from all over Ohio, South Dakota, Kansas. They all came out here, they met up. I guess they've been here a day or two. Of course I roll in late, you know, you guys know how I do it. And we did a little tour, did a little quick factory tour, but I really came out here to scout my June 20th. All right, guys, interrupt the regularly scheduled program. First of all, I'm having huge Senna issues. I cannot get my audio right. It's popping all the time, and it ain't popping in a good way. Seriously. But this is what it is. All right, so check it out. I'm going to give you guys a rundown of this event, and then also at the end of the video, I'll talk about some other events I have going on for the rest of the year that are kind of like scheduled as of right now. Everything's always subject to change, and I'm always popping into last minute like events or whatever. So here it is real quick. June 20th, we are all meeting at Indian Motorcycles Factory in Spirt Lake, Iowa, and at 9 a.m. So the tours will start at 9 a.m. We're gonna come in groups and whatever, right? So I have to shout out all you guys for coming. So this is what we're gonna do. We're going to show up in Spirt Lake, Iowa at the Indian Motorcycle Factory. Everybody, if you want a group ride down there, however you want to do it, it sounds like a great plan, a great idea. It is a free tour, but this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to raise money for Folds of Honor. And to do so, I'm asking everybody to donate a minimum of $50 a person. Okay, I don't think that's a lot of money, but to give you value, which I always try to give value whenever I ask somebody to do something. I'm looking at my notes right here. This is what's going to happen. First of all, I think a lot of people are coming. I'm excited about that. There is a Facebook event. It has been posted. I will put the description or the link in the description or the comments, wherever you're looking at this is where you're going to see that and find it. So we're gonna have some early lunch, like late breakfast, early lunch provided by TNA Customs. Thank you guys. Shout out to TNA Customs. You know, they do carbon fiber for our Indian motorcycles, and they do a great job anyway. They support me and they support the channel, and they support Folds of Honor. So between me and them, we are going to have pizza. It is from Pizza Ranch right there in Spirt Lake. It's like a block away. We're gonna deliver it right to the factory, which is freaking perfect. That will be between like maybe around 10 to 11, somewhere in there. The food will show up, so we're going to get some pizza and hang out and just community while people get to do the tour, right? Then after that, everybody can kind of do their own thing, check into hotels. There's a really cool car museum in Spirit Lake that I'm hoping to check out and hoping other people get to check out also. There is Lake Okoboji or whatever it's called, beautiful ride around the lake. All that stuff you could do. And then in the evening at the hotel, which I'll be at, and it is the Travelodge by Wyndham right there in Spirit Lake. It is really close to the factory. I booked the band Leaving Hope. You probably know them from my intro music, but they have also been known for playing the main stage at the Buffalo Chip last year. They kicked off the Sturgis Rally. They opened for Bad Wolves. It is a killer band. So they're coming down. They are committed and everything's taken care of. They're going to come down and they're going to entertain in the evening at the Travelodge. So if you can, call them, tell them you're with Ridingfish or IMRG, either one. It'll put you in the book rooms. There's not a bunch of rooms left, so I would suggest doing that early. We're probably going to try to get a second hotel to sponsor some of the group. Not sponsor, but like hold some of the group, maybe get a group discount, kind of fun stuff. So that's all on the 20th, right? So now we've done the tour together. Maybe we've ate together. Some people rode together that day. In the evening, we get to have a good party, listen to a band, great music, great people, just community, camaraderie, all the good stuff. And then June 21st, we're going to do a group ride, whoever's interested, going from Spirit Lake, Iowa to Mason City Power Sports, which is the Indian motorcycle dealership in Mason City, where lunch will be provided. I think we're going to have like a little drop plate to potentially help out the dealership paying for our lunch. And if they make a profit, then they're going to donate the proceeds to Folds of Honor as well. And also, if not, they're going to eat it. So that's pretty cool of them. So shout out to Indian Motorcycle Mason City. I appreciate you guys. So many IMRGs. Talk to your IMRG. People are coming. But this is what you guys got to do. You guys have to start booking your stuff because it's summer. Spirit Lake fills up pretty quick. It's a party. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do this factory tour, and I did do it in this video. You'll see. But I want to do a big community way. So, yeah, I hope you guys get to make it. This is just the first thing we're going to do this year, June 20th, first this kind of thing. At the end of the video, at the end of this video you're watching, I am going to talk about a few of the events that I'm doing or I know about going forward. Just glancing at my notes. And yeah, guys, I hope to see you guys June 20th, meetup, Spirit Lake, Indian Motorcycle Factory. Let's go. 9 a.m. But if you're late, you just do one of the later tours. $50, come on. Like, come on, we got to raise one scholarship. Minimum one scholarship is the goal for this weekend. Let's do some cool stuff for Folds of Honor. And yeah, let's do it. See you guys at Spirit Lake. By the way, enjoy the rest of this video. And yeah, let's go. Oh, look at that FTR. So we got a good eating area here that we have food provided by TNA Customs, probably pizza. That's the idea, pizza, but like a nice little area there. And then, yeah, I'm at the factory. Yeah, dude, so I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. Obviously, in person would be way better, but inside the factory, oh my gosh, of course, we have one of the new 2025 Indian Pursuit Elites. This is the first time I've gotten to see it in person, but like, man, it's so cool. By the way, I wanted to show, that's green, baby. Look at this. They did a good job. They did a freaking really good job. I'm really happy. And you know, everybody's like, hey, it looks great. You better love green. You better freaking love green. But yeah, so then they got some other demo bikes. They have some bikes over here. Like, looks like this might be a hill climber. Looking like a Scout Heart on there, is my guess. And then we got probably a throwback, maybe Chief or vintage. So, and then we got a 24 Elite Challenger here. We have a land speed record bike over here. Crazy, freaking crazy. We got this. This is a 1935 Indian Chief. Anyway, these are all in the lobby of the Indian Motorcycle Factory. But when you guys come on June 20th, you're gonna get to see it. If you can't come June 20th, there is an event August 2nd on the way out to Sturgis. You can stop here, do a tour, you can get some patches, all cool kind of stuff. Look at that. The Chieftain Elite, I think it's a 2017 maybe? I'm guessing, I might be wrong by that. Check out this. Pretty freaking cool. So, alrighty guys, I'm gonna go to lunch. We're gonna hang out with these guys. I'm actually gonna probably buy some stuff. They do have Indian Motorcycle Factory specific merch. So if that's something that interests you, check it out. You can only get it here. These are kind of like dealer tees, baby. Only get it here. So, oh, look at that freaking Scout. All right, you guys, I can't show you everything. I can't show you everything. You guys got to come out June 20th. We're gonna be here. And here's Scott. He put on this. A couple people already left. We're gonna go have food. They're waiting for me. Like always, I'm talking too much. But anyway, shout out to Scott for putting on the Pursuit to the factory event. This is his 3rd year. I think he's gonna do it again next year. Same time frame, right around this time, right after Mother's Day. So shout out to Scott. If you're watching, bro, appreciate you. Appreciate the invite. You guys also appreciate you hanging out while I make everybody wait to go eat. So hey, shout out, bro. Let's go get food. Let's go. And we can kind of stand there, maybe? Closer. All right, thank you.
Wait, this is fancy.
It's just a video. You just have to point. All right, on 3, just say like Indian motorcycle. All right, Indian motorcycle. On 3. Okay, cut all that. I'm just kidding. I'll leave it in. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Indian motorcycle. All right, cool. That's it. See how easy that was? Woo! Look at that, guys. All right, guys. Hey, so till next time, ride hard, ride fast, add some unit of peace. Ha 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 ha.